Ever wondered how artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, is changing the world around you? Welcome to episode 3 of our deep dive into the world of ChatGPT. Today, we're stepping out of theory and into the real world, exploring the diverse applications of this transformative technology. From the realm of education to the hustle of business, the creativity of arts to the precision of programming, and even in personal use, ChatGPT is making its mark. From classrooms to boardrooms, ChatGPT's impact is widespread. Let's see how. In the realm of education, ChatGPT is transforming the way we learn and teach. It's like having an omnipresent digital mentor at your side, ready to assist you at any time. Teachers are harnessing the power of ChatGPT to design curriculum, creating engaging lesson plans tailored to the unique needs of their students. It's like having an extra pair of hands, helping to lighten the load and enhance the educational experience. On the other side of the coin, students are using ChatGPT as a homework helper. It's like having a personal tutor, providing clear explanations for complex concepts and assisting with challenging assignments. ChatGPT's ability to understand and respond to questions in a natural, conversational manner makes it an ideal learning companion. So, whether you are a teacher seeking innovative ways to educate or a student striving for academic success, ChatGPT is there to support you. In education, ChatGPT acts as a digital mentor for both teachers and students. Moving on to the business world, especially customer service, ChatGPT is proving to be a game changer here as well. Picture this. You're a business with a bustling customer service department, handling hundreds, if not thousands, of customer queries each day. It's a daunting task, isn't it? But with ChatGPT, this landscape is transformed. By providing quick and efficient responses, it takes on the heavy lifting, streamlining operations like never before. Imagine having an assistant that's available around the clock, never tires, and is capable of handling multiple queries simultaneously. That's ChatGPT for you. It's not just about handling the volume though, it's about the quality of service as well. With its ability to understand and respond to a wide range of queries, ChatGPT enhances the customer experience, making it more personalized and efficient than ever. In business, ChatGPT is a reliable assistant, enhancing the customer experience. For those with a creative bent, ChatGPT serves as a muse. It's like having a creative partner, always ready to bounce ideas off, one that never tires and is always brimming with suggestions. Imagine you're a writer staring at a blank page. The dreaded writer's block has you in its grip. Enter ChatGPT, a tool that helps you break free, offering prompts, suggesting plot twists, and even crafting character dialogues. On the other hand, if you're a content creator planning your next big hit, ChatGPT can help brainstorm ideas. From scripting to storyboarding, it can offer a fresh perspective, helping you create content that resonates with your audience. And it's not just about ideas, it can help with the actual creation too. Need a catchy title for your blog post or a compelling intro for your video? ChatGPT has your back. In creativity, ChatGPT is a source of inspiration and a co-creator. For the techies out there, ChatGPT has your back. From seasoned developers to budding coders, this AI can be a trusted ally. It's like having a coding companion that never tires. Need to debug a tricky piece of code? ChatGPT is there. Struggling to understand a complex algorithm? ChatGPT can explain it. Even when you're in the throes of development, ChatGPT can help write code snippets, saving precious time. In coding, ChatGPT is a handy tool accelerating the development process. And it's not just for professionals. ChatGPT is a personal assistant too. This AI marvel can make your daily life a breeze by assisting in tasks like meal planning and managing schedules. Imagine having a personal assistant who helps you decide what to cook for dinner or reminds you of that important meeting you almost forgot. It's like having an extra set of hands minus the physical presence. In personal life, ChatGPT is a versatile assistant, ready to help with everyday tasks. As we've seen, the potential of ChatGPT is only limited by our imagination. This powerful tool is revolutionizing education, streamlining business operations, inspiring creativity, aiding developers, and enhancing personal life tasks. From designing curriculum to managing schedules, from generating content to debugging code, ChatGPT is a versatile companion in our everyday lives. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll explore the future of ChatGPT and AI. Until then, keep exploring. Before we sign off, if you enjoyed this video and found the content helpful, don't forget to show your support. Hit that like button. It really helps us out. Share the insights you gained today with your friends, colleagues, and anyone you think might benefit. Want to keep up to date with the latest on ChatGPT and other AI advancements? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't miss out. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep exploring.